Hi, this is Sriram Akundi, Head of Quality for Biocon Ltd. I came here yesterday and I really enjoyed the 2-day session of this Biosimilars and the Biologics workshop. It's a great event, organized very well. It provided a very good forum for cross-functional ideas discussion between industry, academia, students, sponsors and the companies. The quality of the events, the diversity of the events that were organized, right from early development, manufacturing, regulatory compliance, characterization, regulations in India and from abroad, with the diversity of the speakers working in both the panel discussions and as the talks, gives a lot of opportunity, guidance, education to the upcoming industry in India from multiple biopharmaceutical industries. I really thank Ratnesh Jain and his team for this fabulous organization, flawless execution of this mega event, which is 500+ participants spread in that big hall for 2 days with no time lost, everything on spot, on time, and a great event. And I wish we have more and more of such events happening. That will further boost the development of biopharmaceutical industry. And what India has been as a generics leader in the world, we should see that even happening in the biosimilars and biologics. We should be the global supplier of pharmaceuticals, echoing the government's thought process of Make in India for the entire world. Thank you.